So why do driveways crack? Cracks in driveways can be caused by a combination of factors, both natural and human-made. One of the primary natural causes is the changing seasons. Driveways are exposed to extreme temperature fluctuations throughout the year. When it's hot, they expand, and when it's cold, they contract. This continuous expansion and contraction can lead to cracks over time. Nearby trees can also contribute to driveway cracks. As tree roots grow, they exert tremendous pressure on the surface, causing it to crack and lift. Sudden heavy rains or flash floods, which are not uncommon in Arizona, this can undermine the support for the concrete and lead to the development of cracks. Freeze-thaw cycles can still occur at higher elevations in places like Flagstaff, Show Low, and Prescott. Water that seeps into cracks in the driveway can freeze during cold nights, expanding and causing the cracks to widen. Human-made causes of driveway cracks are as follows. Parking heavy vehicles or machinery on your driveway can weaken the structure. The excess weight can lead to cracks, especially if the driveway isn't designed to handle such loads. Driveways that aren't constructed or installed correctly may develop cracks sooner. Insufficient base preparation and improper materials can contribute to this issue. The type of soil beneath your driveway can play a significant role as well. In Arizona, the soil is often composed of clay, which is notorious for its tendency to expand when wet and contract when dry. These soil movements can exert pressure on the concrete, causing it to crack. Regularly inspect your driveway for signs of cracks or damage. Small cracks can often be repaired with sealants or fillers, preventing them from worsening. When installing a new driveway, ensure it's built using the right materials and techniques. A strong foundation and proper drainage can significantly extend its lifespan. Make sure that the mixture of the concrete is done properly. Too much water can cause problems shortly down the road, and not enough water, the same problem. Just remember that regular maintenance, proper construction, and thoughtful landscaping can go a long way in preventing and repairing these cracks. If your driveway is already past the point of no return, it's important that you contact a licensed foundation repair expert. There are many options available to repair your damaged driveway. I hope this video was helpful. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you again in the next video.